So what up guys? What up mga choy? Llambert Monton here, and this is a new video, and I have a 2 package from Shopee that I ordered. It arrived yesterday, and this is the 2 small one and big one. I'll start in the small one. So this is a cold shoe mount, so you know na what is gonna unbox. So this is a unboxing and review of this Boya By-mm1. Switch. So this is Boya By-mm1, and you see in the box. Let's see in the box. So you see it's there a Boya, their company name, and the code for authentication. Yeah, you should scratch that, so you know that this microphone is legit, and it is a universal cardioid microphone. So this is it looks like, and you'll see it later. So it's compatible with phone, tablet, PC, camera, and video cam. In the left side of the box you have By-mm1, and also in the other side, in the bottom there's a barcode, and the back the specs. So the features is compatible with smartphone, DSLR camera, what I said, and it's a compact and lightweight directional mic, rugged metal construction, and the best part is no battery required, and professional fair windshield included. So the professional fair windshield, or aka dead cat, this one, and we'll see that later. The specs are, it's a cardio, frequency response is 35 to 18 kHz, plus 3 decibels, if I'm right. So tignan nyo na lang what focus. So one focus, and so TRS and TRRS. So it's a 86 grams, and here's their link if you want to watch. So if you want to buy this, I will just put a link below if you want to buy one. So let's open the box. Go, man. Yeah, the best part. Here we go, man. It's in the box. We have our warranty card, so it's empty now. So let's put this on the side. So first, we see let's do this. The manual. Yeah. Somebody want to read this, you must read it. But sometimes if I have no let's call this, I have no fun, I will just read the manual. Yeah, let's put this inside. We have a pouch. So see, it's Boya. So it's not leather. And first you see the warranty card. First, the one the mic itself. So this is the dead cat, and the mic, the Boya. See, Boya By-mm1. We can get this if we want to. Here we go, the mic. This is the mic. 3.5mm, and dead cat, and its boots back. Side, and this is for the DSLR, and this is the, I'm not sure, it's this TRRS. I think that is TRRS. Not know. I think this is the TRRS to TRRS. Not sure. I will put this in the screen because I'm not sure. And this is the TRS to TRRS. Yeah. Then this is for the phone, and we have a label. So this is for the phone microphone. This one, and this is for the smartphone. This one. Yeah. And you see the line. There's 2 and 3. So this is for the smartphone, and this is for the microphone. And with this, and they are the same. So this is for the DSLR. And the mount of the Boya By-mm1, and silica gel. If you want some silica gel, there's one here in the package. So the second package, or the hot shoe, and this is the hot shoe that I bought for my holder, because my holder have no motor. So yeah, that is the unboxing. So I will show you how to build it. So this is my first time to use it. So you just snap it. Just be careful so it will not break. Hello. That's almost, man. So be careful. Fuck. Be careful. So you use this part, so and you just there. Just be careful because this will be break, and just be careful. You put it back dead cut. So that is the one, and this one to the microphone and to the smartphone. Let's untie this. Yeah. And snap this here and to the phone. So I'm using the Boya By-mm1. If it's working, so if this is not working, so you must download the Open Camera app so you can use the microphone. Yeah, so I will get something to get. The Gorilla Pod here. So here, man, I will just try to put this one twist. The hot shoe mount, I almost forget, so open it. I just snapped it. What up mga trees? So you see me. So I didn't taking a bath because bagong gising lang. So mga tree, this I use the Boya By-mm1, and comment below if there's something new, if there are comparison of the two, the built-in mic of the Redmi 4X and the external mic of the Boya By-mm1, and it's right. Raining here, so this is a good starting raining here, so it's a good for test for vlogging because it's raining and lot of noise. There's my air conditioner is air condition is on and rain here, then no noise there. So this is the Boya By-mm1. Got a row. So let's test it outside. Here in the outside, I'm using the Boya By-mm1, and if you can hear me still, it's getting louder. The rain getting heavier, I mean. So yeah, so let's test the built-in mic of the this is so this is the, I forgot to test, so this is the test of Boya By-mm1 outside with the heavy rain. Test mic 1 2 3, Boya By-mm1, test 1 2 3, test 1 2 3. Alright, and they are here. So let's test the Boya By-mm1 without the mic. The built-in microphone of the Redmi 4X, and test mic, test 1 2 3, test 1 2 3, and it's getting rain and I must help them, okay? And I'll be back.